Hi everyone. Today I will show you how we can test the polarized capacitor with analog multimeter. So first step, we have to set our analog multimeter as shown. So the selector should be in this position. And second, we put our analog multimeter. You can see the selector, it moves up and down. Another time. So this is fully charged capacitor and now fully discharged capacitor. So if you want to test another capacitor, be careful with the value or the capacitance of capacitor. For that one, we used 100 microfarad capacitor. For bigger or smaller capacitor, you have to adjust the selector on the right position. Thank you.